All right, what's going on, everybody? Back today. Did not do a pre-market prep yesterday. Sorry about that, but was just busy during the day. Really good day yesterday, and definitely a tech rally. Amazon paid out yesterday, along with a few other trades. So good day yesterday. I think we're likely to see another good day today on the markets. So we'll see. QQQ is up. Markets are green, or the futures are anyway. And then, of course, Thursday and Friday is going to get really choppy, I think, as Fed starts to talk. And, of course, the consumer price index will be out on Friday morning as well. So I would say today should be a good day until Thursday. Friday should be probably sideways trading or chop. All right, what's up, Al? All right, cool. So as far as today goes, I'm looking at Upstart. This is kind of one of those, a few of the plays that I'm going to talk about today are, I guess, where you could say calculated risk, right? If we look at Upstart, my black line here is my moving average or simple moving average 200, and we see the Upstart dip below that for for about 3 days or so, and reclaimed it just yesterday. And that's the kind of action that you want to see, especially when something like Upstart is oversold. So it bounced above and closed above the MA 200. Now we're looking at the MA 8 and 21 is right above here. I would say that if you are doing any calls, you will probably need to cut it around here. This would be your dead stop. But it's trying to get back over a daily VWAP here at 202. So I think there's a good profit, reward to risk ratio here on Upstart if you did like a $200 call. So that's what I'm thinking about today for Upstart. Tesla is up pre-market as well. So you see the nice pennant setup here. And I do think for most part, Tesla has found a support here, or a rising support, 1,008. And I'm thinking there's going to be a quick run over to 1,100 over the next couple of days, only because there are some rumors about tomorrow's event. But otherwise, chart looks pretty good here for Tesla. So I'm going to do probably $1,100 calls most likely. And of course, I want to talk about SPI. SPI is really intriguing. I know the chart doesn't look fantastic right now, $4.27. But the ADL, or the accumulation distribution line, if you don't know what that is, please go Google it and learn this new technical. But there's not a ton of selling. There's a lot of shorts on it, obviously. It's being shorted down. So, I do have a pretty big position here. I'm not going to sell it here, but I want to put your attention to this one, because this one is trying to get back. It did about a few percentage points yesterday, not too bad. So we'll see if it kind of continues today. ANY is another one. So I know Bitcoin is currently down right now by 1,000 or so. This is another one of those calculated risk plays, right? It's sitting right above the moving average 200, closed above it on Friday, and Monday and Tuesday, Wednesday here. So my stop would be around $3.93 or below. That would be a no-go for me. But it seems like ANY, at least for the most part, can hold that MA 200 for the time being. If that holds, then it's one of those plays where I know the rest of the swing market really sucks right now. However, you can still pick up some good plays off floors, off support. And that's usually, for me anyway, the moving average 200 is usually the go-to one for support here. So SPY, ANY, Upstart, and Tesla will be my kind of main watches today. Definitely, as kind of a bonus since you're here, Apple is making its way, clearing above the 170.81, which is the 1.618 extension. I'm thinking that it's going to visit one. I mean, I definitely think it's got to take perhaps a little cooler. Or breather, but I mean, I think 180 is in sight here, so we'll see what happens with Apple. So Apple, I still hold calls, and if you are still not on the fence about Fubo is in reversal mode now, so we'll see if it can close over $19 today. I do have shares, and I picked up February 2022 calls for $25 because they're like $1 each or $1.20 each, so it's pretty ridiculous cheap premiums if you can hold out on Fubo. So with that being said, definitely watch out for OCGN today too. So Moderna and PFE is kind of in the spotlight over this morning's news. PFE's 3 shots can eliminate Omicron. I don't know how they did that study so darn fast. It's pretty interesting, right? But that's what they said. So I guess the media is going to buy it. So OCGN definitely deserves I believe, at the spot at the table. All right, but that's just my personal opinion. All right. Okay. So with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow pre-market.